Hey folks, BJ Raymer with Glowing Jack's Pumpkin Patch. I've had a lot of people request a video of how I make these trees. So pretty much let's just get to it. Here it is. Alright, sorry to cut you off there. I just wanted to clean this up a little bit. That's kind of tedious work. Now let's get started on the tree front. Alright, I did some more cleaning up on it, got it into a little bit better shape. As you can see, it has its nice, starting to get into its Christmas tree shape. What we're going to do now, we're going to put our lines in it, do a little bit more detailing work, and just see how it comes out. Alright, now we got our lines going. Has a nice good look to it. Now we're to make some cuts, and it'll give a little bit of depth going into the tree. Give it something a little bit better to look at besides just lines in the tree. Let's get that going. Alright, now that we got that done, we put a little bit of a slope inside on these limbs, I guess you would say. That way, it just gives it a little bit more depth, gives a little bit more character to it. It's just not straight lines and everything like that. Just adds a little bit more detail to it. What we're going to do now, we're going to take a chainsaw and go up and down each one of these branches. You may not be able to see exactly what I'm doing, but when I burn it and show you, you'll be able to see exactly, you know, it's showing kind of like the branches, giving the detail, giving the effect. So, here that is. Alright, now you can see we got a lot of it done. We got the detail work done. I've done some cleaning up work. I mean, it's starting to look like a pretty good tree. Not too bad at all. Now what we're going to do is burn it. Alright, this thing turned out pretty sharp. I'll take some pictures of it and I'll post it on the Glowing Jack's page. But we're pretty much done. I mean, it's just gonna dry overnight, and I mean, this is pretty much the process that I do. This one came out terrific. It would have came out terrific either way, but I'm glad it turned out the way it did. It has a lot of cool looking lines to it, a lot of good burn marks to it. This customer, she wanted all her trees burned. I got to do a 4-foot tree for her as well, and she wants it in this natural color. So I'm going to get started on that one here soon. But thank you for watching, and if you need anything from us, just don't hesitate to message us. And other than that, have a good day.